Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mad Horses with Jessica, and in today's video I'm bringing you a brand new live stream app that pays you for going live, interacting with people, and making new friends anywhere in the world. On this app there are no agents and no agencies. Everyone is a host. Yes, I know you like this part. So the app I'm introducing in this video is called MIMOON, and in this video I'll walk you through everything you need to know as a beginner. MIMOON app is built to be very simple. Even if you've never live streamed before, you can go live easily, chat with viewers in real time, complete live tasks, receive gifts, and earn rewards based on your activity. So if you're looking to earn while live streaming, this one is for you. Now, before we get into how to go live and earn on MIMOON, let me quickly show you how to register, especially if this is your first time hearing about the app. To get started, I'll be leaving a registration link in the description below. Use it to create your account properly. Now, once you click the link, you'll be redirected to download the MIMOON app. After installing the app, open it and tap Sign Up. You'll be asked to register using either your email address or phone number, depending on what's available in your country. Now enter your details, select your gender, and add your profile photo. After registering, you will land on the app's home page, and that's it. Registration is very simple and only takes a few minutes. When you're on the app's homepage, right there, you'll find the Start Live button. Just tap it. Before going live for the first time, you'll be asked to complete your face verification. This is a simple process and helps keep the platform safe. Next, you upload a clear and attractive cover photo. Let me give you some pro tip. Make sure you have a clean background, good lighting, a well-lit environment, and a natural look. These small things help attract more viewers. After that, you can adjust your beauty filters. Once that's done, you're live. Interaction is the heart of live streaming on MIMOON. You can chat with your viewers by tapping the chat box at the bottom left of the screen. Always respond, greet new viewers, and most importantly, say thank you when you receive gifts. MIMOON allows hosts to receive regular gifts, and hosts earn 70% of those gifts, which is very competitive. To make your live stream more fun, MIMOON includes interactive games. You can tap the game icon and play games. These games help keep viewers engaged, and when you win, you can earn extra coins instantly. MIMOON offers a built-in task system designed to encourage consistency and engagement. When you tap on tasks, you see different categories, including live streaming tasks, party and activity tasks, and this may include things like streaming for a certain duration, receiving a specific number of gifts, participating in live activities. Once you complete a task, you can claim extra coins or beans rewards. Now, inside the life and party section, MIMOON provides a step-by-step earning guide for new hosts. Here, you'll see tips on how to grow your audience, how to stay consistent, and how to improve engagement. Some guides even show how new hosts can earn rewards within their first week, depending on activity and consistency. Remember, results vary, but the guidance is there in the app. While you're live, you can easily locate the task center by clicking on this icon. Here you can track your completed task, see the one you're currently doing, and check your reward details. This helps you stay focused and organized while streaming. MIMOON isn't just about going live. There's a community post section where you can share moments from your daily life, connect with people, and also find like-minded creators. It's a great way to grow your presence beyond live streaming. One of the most interesting features in the MIMOON app is the invite friends option. When you tap invite friends, MIMOON generates your unique referral link, and when you share it to someone and that person registers using your link, goes live on the platform, you receive referral rewards. This is a great way to start earning passively, especially if you already have friends interested in live streaming. Now, once you've accumulated enough beans, that is, you've met the minimum withdrawal threshold, you can withdraw your earnings. To do this, while in your dashboard, click on your beans balance, tap on withdraw, and you'll be brought to this place where you can choose your withdrawal method. So we have different withdrawal methods on the app. Depending on your region, select your region and you can find the available withdrawal methods in your country. Okay, for the purpose of this, we'll be using our USDT wallet address. So I've copied and pasted it here and then bound it to my account. So this is necessary first before you can go ahead to withdraw. So now you're going to put in the withdrawal amount here. That's the beans withdrawal amount. Okay, and then tap on withdraw. Confirm your withdrawal. Ensure that your details are correct before you go ahead. So once your withdrawal is confirmed, you have to wait for your withdrawal to arrive into your bank. So that's a beginner overview of the MIMOON Livestream app and how the app works. If you're looking for a simple Livestream app with no agents wahala, MIMOON Livestream app is worth checking out. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.